Hi and welcome to the first video of Module 3. We will study the need for blended learning today. We can say that blended learning is the bringing together of traditional physical classes with elements of virtual education. Developments in information and communication technologies have brought about changes in many topics such as the purpose of education, student and teacher roles, educational environment and materials to be used. With the impact of technological developments on education, new learning methods and environments in which technology is included in education have begun to be researched. Distance education is one of these methods developed. It provides learners with flexibility in terms of time and space, and provides an independent learning environment according to their own pace and level. In this way, learners take responsibility for their own learning. With the reflection of technology in education, both national and international learning opportunities are easier to reach. With a student-centered approach, it offers the opportunity for lifelong learning by involving individuals from all walks of life and age. While distance education has many positive aspects, it also has some limitations if used alone. Since the teacher cannot interact with the students directly, it may cause low motivation and attention deficit, especially in primary school students. In addition to these, high costs and technology literacy requirements are the limitations of distance education. This situation made educators think about learning environments where the advantages of face-to-face education and distance education come together during the studies in the field of education. Therefore, blended learning environments that reveal the strengths of face-to-face and distance education environments should be created. Providing a good balance between distance education and face-to-face learning in the classroom environment is among the aims of blended learning. In addition, while designing blended learning, 6 objectives were determined. These are pedagogical richness, access to information, social interaction, self-directed learning, low cost and ease of change. The proper application of blended learning can strengthen the teacher-student interaction with the pedagogical richness that it will add, since it will increase the teaching methods and diversify the learning activities. Another purpose of blended learning is to increase the students' access to information. In addition to the information they learn from their teacher in the classroom, students can easily access additional information about the course online. Another purpose of this learning is to increase social interaction. Thanks to the environment created by blended learning, students can maintain communication with their friends and teachers both in the classroom and online. Providing learning at low cost is one of the aims of blended learning. With this learning, time and space can be saved and information can be delivered to more people. In line with all these purposes, we have put forward the need for blended education. Nowadays, the need for distance education and blended education has increased more due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has had an impact worldwide. When we look at this process from the perspective of educators, we can say that teachers who have information infrastructure and experience in technology can adapt to the process easier. During the in-class activities, we will discuss in detail the current educational approaches, explain the need for distance education, discuss the limitations of distance education and face-to-face education, and study the necessity of using distance and face-to-face education together. That's all for now. See you at the lesson. Bye. For more information, you can visit our project website www.mindmaths.org. See the output section and reach various topics regarding the use of robotics and other technologies in primary school mathematics lessons.